Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install macOS Apple operating system on Hyper-V virtual machine. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To install macOS Hyper-V virtual machine on your computer, first of all open your browser and then first on the operating system link and second one is the boot file link. I will give this link in description. You can copy this link from video description. I am just copying the link of Mac OS and paste it to the browser. Now scroll down. Here you will find UEFI OC095. Just click here to download. The file is downloading. Now I am going to download the boot file, copying the download link and paste it to browser address bar and now hit enter. Now click on download. Click on download anyway. It's downloading. Both file download finished. Now close browser and open File Explorer. Go to downloads. These are the files. Now right click on the file to extract and I am extracting both files. Now open the UEFI file and now right click on this file and copy. Now go to your C drive. Now make a folder. I am giving the name Apple OS. You can give any name and now just paste the UEFI disk here. Now again go to downloads. And go to recovery file which I have downloaded earlier and just I am opening this file. Look, these are the boot system file. Okay, now copy this file and again go to C drive, go to your Apple OS folder and now right click on UEFI disk and click on mount. And this is the UEFI. Now paste the file here. Now eject this UEFI disk. The disk is ejected. Now go to your Hyper-V, click on New, click on Virtual Machine, click Next, give a name. I am giving the name. Next, select Generation 2, Next, and now select the RAM, minimum 8 GB RAM required. So I'm opening calculator. 1024 into 8, 8192 MB. Okay, type here 8192, type here 8192 MB, and then next. Now connect to the internet. If you have external switch adapter, connect to external switch, or if you do not have external switch adapter, just connect to default switch. I have external switch adapter, so I am connecting here to connect with internet. Now click on next. Now in location, click on browse. Now go to C drive, select your Apple OS folder, and here you can use 40 GB disk. Minimum disk requirement is 30 GB. I am taking 40 GB disk. Now click on next and select install an operating system later, then click next. Now click finish. Now right click on your Mac PC, click on settings, and now click on security. Just uncheck secure, enable secure boot, click on apply. Now select checkpoints, just uncheck enable checkpoint, click on apply. Now click on integration services and click on guest services, and all options will be checked. Now click on apply. Now click on SCSI controller and select hard drive and click on add. Now click browse and go to C drive. So go to your Apple OS folder and select here your UEFI disk, which I have downloaded from online, and click on open. Here you will have two hard disks, one hard disk for your PC and one hard disk for bootable. Okay, now click on apply. Now click OK. Now again right click on your Mac PC, and click on settings. Now click on firmware. Now first move up UEFI, then move up your PC hard drive and then click apply, then OK. Now right click and click on connect, click on start. Now click on UEFI. Now the Mac PC is starting up. Click on disk utility. Click on continue. Now click on MSFT virtual disk media and now click on erase. Now change the name Mac HD. Now click on erase. Then click on done. Now click on red icon on upper left corner and now click on reinstall macOS. Then click on continue. Now the macOS is, and now click on continue. The OS is loading down. This is software license agreement. Click on agree. Now click on agree again. Now select Mac HD and click on continue. Now OS is booting up. It will take some time. Now select your country or region. I am selecting United States. Now click on continue. Now click on continue, and this is accessibility. Click on continue. Now data and privacy. Click on continue. Migration assistant. Click on not now. Sign up with Apple ID. Click on sign up later. Click on skip. And this is the term and condition. Click on agree. Now click on agree again. Create an computer account. I'm giving the name, my channel name, IT System Admin. Now assign your password and verify your password again. Type the password again. Click on continue. This enables location service. Click on continue. Uh, do you want to use location service? Click on don't like, and now you can select your time zone and then click continue. Now analytics, click on continue. Now skin time, setup later. Now choose your look and keyboard setup assistant, click quit. Your Mac operating system is installed completely and properly. Now you can enjoy use of Apple Mac operating system. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.